Each time we breathe in hope. Each time we breathe out hopelessness. This is how cells regenerate. If this process is not disturbed, we remain in perfect health all through our life. Universe is continuously moving towards light through us. Any moment we live in hopelessness or try to manage it rather than breathing it out, we are going out of alignment. Suffering begins when we accumulate hopelessness. A part of us is refusing to move towards light. Gradually, it is that part which becomes a disease.
Maharishi, this is profound essence of Ayurveda. This directly brings focus on how to live healthy and makes us curious how accumulated hopelessness causes the disease.